With two duffel bags, I don't get no sleep, getting cash with my hustling ass. Out of state tags, in the city where it's sell high. Box and gallon bags, shit, I'm about to make my scale high. Hella high, cushion my back, wood burning. Pies looking fly, lack wood, wheel turning, earning big money. Cause I'm allergic to the small change. Ball, see you ballin', get the fuck about the ball game. I'm ballin' in this game, my hit ball status. Took my BGs under my wing and bought them automatics. Split a sack in they pocket, gave them something to smoke. Told them these tracks poppin', you can't be broke. About 2 years later, they was scraping on wheels. Living and having paper, man, them niggas is ill. I'm addicted to the skrill and married to the game. On my thing with a kick worth of rocks in my chain.
For the tussle, hit you with one shot, disappear up the block. Same night I'm out, hanging out at the nice spot. Look like a white rock, we in a white rock. White girls, white seats, I'm in a white sock. And I'll change to a black man, no, black bees, black wheels, my black ammo. I'm fast like a candy camera, homie. And a 2K deal with my rich cannon on me. Still in the street deal, out in the street still. In the last spitting blacks over beats. And I'll show you how to go from nothing to popcorn objects, cause I'm a bonafide hustler.